Hello and welcome back to Blake Bakes Easter edition. Now, as you can see, I'm missing a tooth right here, so it's kind of weird. And we're still in isolation, but it's really hot in London, so I'm wearing a dress, short sleeves, and yeah. But for today, we are making hot cross buns. And usually in hot cross buns, you put like raisins and all that kind of stuff. But we are using dried cherries and chocolate. Now, the ingredients we need today are chocolate, dried cherries, 2 eggs, yeast, fresh yeast, sugar, white sugar, salt, brown sugar, which I really want to eat right now, some butter, some milk, vanilla, and some nutmeg, cinnamon, and some spices. I don't think it's going to go well in this. Well, firstly, there's this flour in here, so we're just going to move that away. So right now, you are going to put your milk, your yeast, and sugar, the white sugar. And you're going to put it in for 5 minutes so it gets all frothy. So let's put it in. So let's leave this for 5 minutes. Okay. So we've waited 5 minutes. And it's looking very frothy and smells like a bakery. So now we're gonna put almost all of it in except the fresh cherries and the chocolate. I'm gonna save that till later. And we're gonna put our butter, our brown sugar, our spices, 2 eggs, vanilla and salt into the bowl. And we're just gonna put like a little bit of flour in there. So let's. Scraping it down one last time. I have a joke for you. What did the Easter egg say to the other Easter egg? Had any good yolks lately? This is our dough, and we're just going to knead it for a couple minutes and then leave it to rise for 2 hours. But let me tell you another joke while I'm kneading. What do you call a very tired Easter egg? Exhausted. How funny. Yeah. Let's put it in the bowl, which there's some oil in. So put some oil in your bowl. Pop it in, and we'll see you in 2 hours. So we are back, and I have an outfit change. And look at this dough. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take this out, put it in the flour, and you're just gonna punch it. So let's do it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's stuck to the marker. It feels so nice. Oh my god. Oopsies. Oh wow, it feels amazing. Punch it! Punch it and turn it around. Punch it! Punch it! Yeah! And then you're just gonna keep on like turning that around. Make sure all of the sides got ouch. So now we just have to cut this in 16 equal pieces. So now we're just gonna dust your hands. You go sprinkle. Then you're just gonna like fold them. So I will start like that. You're gonna make that. So I'll show you one. So you're gonna get like your dough and you're gonna be folding it, folding it, and shape it and mold it, and that's good. Let's do next one. So now we're gonna let these rise, so see you in an hour. So it's been all day and I've had a clothes change because this is taking all day. And now we're just gonna pipe these crosses like that one and put it in the oven. So let's try it. Just make like, as you can see, I put way too much. So it's bad. And to make this, it's only flour and water. Oopsies, I did the cross the wrong way, but it's okay. So we're done making these hot cross buns, and I would like to give them a try. So let's take one and cut it. I like eating my hot cross buns like really plain, and some people just like eating it like with jam or with toasted or with butter, and I like eating it plain. There's a bit of spice. It tastes like cranberries, but I think there could be more chocolate. But I like it. So see you soon. Bye.